Hey guys, this is how to fix lag in our Roblox. So guys, watch till then as I discuss multiple solutions for you. So for the first one is just simply open up your Roblox, and after that just simply go to a world. So let's say I'm gonna go for please donate over here, guys. Now from here, guys, just simply go ahead and tap on escape on your keyboard, or you can just simply click on the Roblox icon at the top left. Now from here, just simply go to the settings. And after that, guys, as you can see over here, you should be able to see graphics mode. So just simply toggle this into manual. And from here, guys, you can adjust the graphics quality accordingly. So if you adjust the quality, just simply try out the game if the lagging fix. And now, guys, if you go back, you can adjust the maximum frame rate as well. So make sure you are on the 60 only, which is the minimum. And now if we scroll down further, so make sure the reduce motion is turned off as well. Now guys, another solution, just simply go to your start menu. Now just simply search over here run. And after that, just simply go ahead and search over here percentage time percentage. And after that, just simply click on OK. And now from here, guys, this is all of your temporary files. So you can just simply select all by tapping on the keyboard, Control A, right click on it. And from here, just simply click on delete. And after that, when a pop-up show up and there is a warning, just simply click on this, do this to all the current items and skip it. Now guys, another option, just simply go to the start menu again and just simply type in over here run and just simply run the system. And after that, just simply erase the percentage and just simply provide temp and click on OK. And after that, just simply select this one all by tapping on the keyboard Control A and right click on it and delete it. And after that, a pop-up window will show up like this and just simply check the box and click on skip. And from here, you should be able to delete them. And after that, guys, just simply go to your recycle bin and just simply right click and click on empty recycle bin. And after that, you should be able to fix the issue. Now guys, another solution that you have is just simply go to the start menu over here and then go to the settings. Now from here guys, just simply search for background apps over here and click on it. And after that, make sure this is turned off because you don't want everything here running on the background. And just simply click on these hidden tray icons over here, guys, on the bottom right. And make sure everything is closed off. And from there, guys, you should be able to fix the issue. Now, guys, another option, just simply go to the start menu and search for control panel. Just simply click on this. After that, just simply go for power options over here. And now from here, guys, make sure you are on the high performance. So it focuses more on performance. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.